So now that we've got the receptacle out of the wall, the next thing we're going to do is figure out how we're going to get through the wall. This is a plastic box. So I've already drilled my hole through to get to the exterior wall. You'll need a masonry drill bit, probably 3/8 or 1/2 inch. Like I said again, this was a plastic box, so I was able to drill right through it. If you encounter a metal box, you're going to have a knockout tab, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your flathead screwdriver, you're going to get in there underneath that tab, you're going to hook it and bring it up, break the tab off, and then drill through that hole that you've created by taking the knockout on the box. Okay? So then, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our Romex, which is supplied by us with your installation kit. We're going to feed it through here, through the hole we've created, out to the back side of the wall. And then we're going to prepare to terminate this onto the receptacle, which will provide the power for the machine. So what we'll do first is we'll strip the Romex, and I'm pretty good at this, so probably won't take much. Or you can take a utility knife and strip it down the center, pull the paper jacket off, and trim that back. And then what I do is I use a particular type of wire nut, which will also be provided for you if it's just straight copper on copper solid wire, or if it's solid on stranded. You'll be able to take this off. Remove the ground wire, and then you'll have that out and exposed, and what you're going to see is the same piece of ground wire coming out of here. So what we'll do is we'll trim the bent or cut piece off, and then we'll align this with that one. We'll twist it together on here with your clines, making a good connection. Everything's harder on video. And then you'll have a green wire nut which has a hole in the top, which is for the ground, and that will slide through your wire and over your twisted pair together and allow you to make that connection so those grounds are continuous, and then you still have a ground to hook onto your wiring device. So you're going to shape that to go over the grounding screw here. Put that on there. You're going to retighten this, and then we're going to do the same for the neutral, which is the white wire, and the black, which is the 110 volt lead. Appropriate twist. Switch devices. You'll find that sometimes these screws are set in so they don't, excuse me, that they don't arc out, so you're going to end up having to open them up, put your conductor on it, hold it while it's in place, tighten it back up. And then we're going to go and do the other side just the same. We'll bring that one out. Switch. These aren't really the best pair of pants for this. So then what you'll have is you'll have the two black wires on the two gold terminals and the two white wires on the silver terminals and the ground on there. And then we can just gently fold this back into the device or the wall box. And we can And once you've got your receptacle installed, then you can go back and put your wall plate on. And from here, we're going to go to the back. Okay.